Oh, hi, welcome to my channel. You're here with Kiki Kathy, and today we're gonna do a comparison of Boxycharm regular box and then the Ipsy Glambag Plus. Without no further ado, let's start. The box itself, it looks like the Glambag Plus is bigger than this. And the Boxycharm. Yep. We'll go on the choice. I believe the choice one is mascara from Tarte. That's the one I got from the Ipsy. I'm pretty sure this is like $20 at least. The Tarte Surfer Chrome Volumizing Mascara is $23. So that's the retail price for that. This item for this one is Bougie. Hourglass. I picked the Hourglass Micro Sculpting Pencil. The choice for the Boxycharm, it's actually $28. Ipsy always have a pouch for each of the glam bags, so I guess that's also a plus, but I can't really give an amount to this, but we'll give like additional for that one, right? I mean, I never really used mine. I have a lot of those, I just never really used it. For the Ipsy again, there's a shimmer lip gloss from Nature's Cartel. This is a shimmer lip gloss. Oh, that is nice. It smells stinks, but it has a cute applicator. I like that kind of applicator because it's like it's the right angles and a lot easier to use on the lips. I don't see this specific one, but there's a lip gloss in here and it cost $16. So I'm pretty sure that's probably the price for that one as well. I really hate when they do this. They don't give you a card of what you're supposed to get, because I feel like whenever they do that, I feel like they're just throwing whatever they want to throw in your box rather than you know the actual test results. Anyways, on the other one for Boxycharm, I got a Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen right there. So this one is $21. Let's see. Oh, it's nice. It's felted. Ooh, it's really black. I like this one. That's cool. Let me open this so you guys can see. So it's like a kohl type. It's a dual. It's a brush. It's that. Wow. And it's really micro. And it has a different style. This is actually kind of waxy because it feels like it's gonna stay there. Actually, I rubbed that already and it's still there. The eyeliner kind of moved because it wasn't still dry, but wow, both are nice. Third one is an eye cream for the Ipsy, which is from Salmon Luigi. This is a hydroactive eye cream. Let's look it up. Walmart, they do sell this for $19. And over here, there's also a skincare, which is from 111 Skin. And you know 111 Skin is kind of expensive. So this one is the NAC White Pollution Defense Booster. So this one is $135. Next up for Ipsy is this Il Makiage eyeshadow. This is in the shade of Color Boss. So this one is actually $29 for one piece. It's expensive, but I think it's because it's really fancy. So I want to open that up because I want to see if this is exactly the same as what I'm looking at online. I'm confused. It says Color Boss, but it says Alter Ego. I guess this is Alter Ego. Just see that. The box that it came is fancy. And this is... Oh, you lift it up. Oh, it doesn't have its own mirror. I thought it does. But it's like that. Let's watch it. Oh! Ah, it's like creamy. Oh, that's nice. I shouldn't have done that. I think this is gonna be really pigmented. Oh, it's so soft. It's so purple. I have a feeling I can keep going. Still have pigment. Oh my god. That's very pigmented. That's pretty nice actually, but pretty expensive for one piece. That looks nice, huh? Back to Boxycharm. I got this Grace and Stella eye mask. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. Alright, so this is a set. I don't know how many is inside. Oh, it says there's 12 pairs. Ooh, that's a lot. That's cool. Okay, so according to the price, it's $21. $21 for 12 pieces. That's not bad. Let's see what it looks like. I have been liking wearing using eye mask because your girl is showing up some wrinkles under the eye. Oh, this kind. Okay. I haven't really tried this, but I think it might be good. I've tried the Grace and Stella brand before, so it's not really new to me. But I only tried their face mist, and I like it. And they have fragrance. They do have fragrance, so you're gonna smell it. The mist that I used, I think, is a rose mist, and I can really tell that it's a rose mist because you can really just straight up smell it when you spray it. Okay, so like I said, that one is $21. And for the last item, Complexion Brush for Ipsy. This one is fancy. It comes in the box like this. The last time they did this, they only gave me us the box. Oh, the brush. This time, it's actually in this. Oh, so soft. It's compact, it's soft, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free. What more can you look for? Anyways, let's look up how much that is. I like their brushes actually. That's my favorite from them is that concealer brush that I got from 2 months ago. It's really perfect when you use it for concealer. So this one is actually $35. This brush. And for the last item for Boxycharm, which is I finally got a palette. This is the Pure Festival 2.0. It's not the first one Festival, but this is the 2.0. This is the color selection. I can do some swatches. It's pretty. This is the Euphoric. Whoa, that's a pretty glitters. Wow. And it's super soft. This is a Pure Bliss. The Photo Op. The Dreamland. Whoa, that's pigmented. Let's turn it up. Insta worthy. Vibes. Oh my god, the shimmers are freaking gorgeous. On set. Oh, that dark chocolate brown. So nice. This is another glitter. That's Utopia. dual chrome. This is electric. Oh my god, the pigment, guys, the pigment. The pigment is, holy moly. That one is the fantasy work. And this is the VIP pass. Oh god. I'm in love. Oh my goodness. That is a gorgeous palette. And that palette is $36. Oh my god, guys. I cannot believe this palette. I just fell in love. I can't wait to actually make a look for this one. It just made my day because I haven't been getting like palette with my BaseBox, and this is a good comeback. Thank you, Boxycharm. Now, the truth. Is your money more worth it for Ipsy Glambag Plus, or is it more worth it for the Boxycharm BaseBox? Let's see. Alright, so Ipsy Plus says there's 23 for the mascara, 16 for the lip, 19, 29 plus 35. It's $122, but I want to put $10 probably for the pouch because they have a pouch, so it's $132 for the Ipsy. For the Boxycharm, it says there's 28, 21, 135 plus 21 plus 36, 241. So if we minus that, 132, it's gonna be $109. So the difference of their products, the price is like $109. So of course, I was already expecting that this is the outcome. That Boxycharm BaseBox wins. I anticipated that already. It's just I know that Boxycharm usually with like really extra bougie products in them rather than the Ipsy. Ipsy is more of a indie brands, so that's why. But Ipsy is actually a nice box as well. If you like to have both, why not, right? But today our winner is the Boxycharm BaseBox. Oh, I can't get over this. Anyways, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the swatches, the little competition between these boxes, and if you like this kind of video, please let me know in the comment section and I will do more of these if you like, and I hope to see you again in my next videos. Bye.